Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to solve these questions on the LeetCode. Initially, I'm going to explain the purpose of the questions, and after that, uh, we're going to solve together. So let's explain the questions. Uh, these questions, we have two input. First input is a string array, like as you see, and second input is a string, and name of this target. And uh, these questions, in the string array, concatenation of the two items should be equals to target. What I mean, for instance, like these explanations, zero index plus first index is equals to target, and first index plus zero index is equals to again target, and we have to find the number of these combinations. Okay, and other explain it is a like same, but how we will do? First, initially, we have to store the all unique items in the any hash map, and with count of the users. For instance, in the here, 777 used the one times, and 7 used the one times, and 77 used the double times. And we initially have to compute it. And after that, we starting find the all combinations. Okay, let's start coding. Before the starting coding, I highly recommend you, if you want to solve any algorithm questions, don't use the IntelliJ IDEA or any more IDE, because when we try to solve the algorithms, we have to visualize in the brain, and it is more progressive on, and also these improve skills more. But right now, of course, for explain the more clearly and show the some print on the terminal, I'm used to LeetCode. But if you practice with yourself, I highly recommend you use their platform. For instance, if you use solving the question on the LeetCode, use the LeetCode platform. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, as we see, we starting compute find each unique items and with a number of the users. So there's basically, we firstly need to create a map, and is first value should be string, and second first key should be string, and value should be integers, and say is nums item. Okay, in the for each, let's create one loops and items and nums item. Firstly, we have to put the key, and after that, if this item is already exist, we have to get the value of the key and increase. If it doesn't exist, we have to just put the just add to 1. As you know, in the Java has an methods names item get or default. This getting the value, if it doesn't exist, we can give the default value. So get it is from num, if it is exist, increase 1. If it doesn't exist, we can return 0. And basically, we can calculate all items. These nums. So just for check the I check the true. I wanna print okay. Here, each item used one times. If well, let's say if for used the second times, we probably compete to this. For make the sure, for be sure here. Okay, like as you can see, for we use the double times. So how we have to continue? We have to check the all combination of the target. We have to divide the target and check the all combination. Our target is a 1, 2, 3, 4. It is true. Okay. Okay. And increase the size and let bold. Okay. Now our target is a 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to divide this string and create the left and right side. Left side is 1 and right side is 2, 3, 4. And other combination is a 12 and 34. And other combination is 30, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for this target, we have 3 combinations. And in the coding, also, we have to find the all combinations. How? Like that. For int E should be start 1, right? Because we divide the left, we find the left side and right side. And if should start at 1. And target length and increase it. Okay, now we have to divide the left and right side. Left and right. So left side, it should be target substring. It should be start 0 and until the index, and it is E. And right side is target substring, and it should start index until the target length. Okay, for target length, actually we can create the one variable, remove argument. Okay, just let's for be sure and print the target. Okay, it is our all combinations. And in this combinations, we have to check the left and right combination is exists in the our hash map, right? If in the hash map consists left and num items consist right, we have to start compete. Okay, if all combination is exists in the maps, we have to start to compete it. So what we have to do in the here, actually we have two scenario. First scenario is if each items left and right side, it is equals, this mean is has 2 times. For instance, for 7,777, we have, let's say for it, we have five similar same items, and this item, how we can compute the combinations count in the here. In the here, first item can be combination second, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this can be combinations, this one, this item, other items, and also other items. And for other item, it is same. What does mean? If same item, we count number of the same item, multiply x minus 1 is give combination. It is our formula. Other side, if left and right side, it is not equals. For instance, let's say for it 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is item is 12, 12, 12, 12, and 34, 34, 34. And if you want to find the combinations, we for the first 12, it can be combinations for first left side, second one, and this one. And for each 12, it is same. So what does mean? Left side, let's say number of the left side is a x, and number of the right side, if it is a y, it is y, it is equals to combinations. We have two scenario. First scenario, if it is similar, and if it is different. Okay, for first scenario, if left equals to right, how we have to compute? We have to find the counts, combinations, combinations. We have to find the combinations. What is that? It is num items get here left, multiply, again get left or right, doesn't matter, multiply, minus 1. It is for this scenario. And it give the combinations. And just create the result and say plus equals to combinations. Okay, let's create the variable. No, let's create the variable. It is combinations, and actually here will be better. Combinations and result equals to 0. So, and second scenario, left side, number of the left side, multiply 1. It is for my second scenario. And again, combination, it's num item get left side, multiply nums item get right side. And also again result plus combinations. And we have to return result. Okay. Okay, it is now it is working and faster than 18%. But actually, we can make the code more clear because it has a lot of if-else statement. Therefore, let's improve the methods. So here we used to result double times and same operations. Therefore, we can create the like compute the one line. It is okay for us. Also, and now get left is used to many places. Therefore, we say we can create the one variable. It's a variable left count, and left count is equals to this one, and just used to everywhere where we used to left. It is more readable. So okay, we can also improve our codes more, and if as statement we compute the combinations. In the here, actually we can create with one line. It's also like more readable if left and right is equals. We have to return this this formula. If doesn't, we can return this formula. Okay, and we delete the other if else statement. So in the here's, we can create more. We can delete also this if else statement. If constant key exists, we have to return value of the left. If doesn't, we can return to 0. And in the Java, you have get or defaults, and it is just return 0. And therefore, we don't need the it. For right side, it's also same. If exists, we can get the value of the right. If doesn't exist, we can return the 0, and it will return the 0. And when you multiply, that just this at the 1, and therefore we don't need the here anymore. Okay, now it is looking more readable. So maybe we can create the like more readable. Okay, we compute the left count, and also we can compute the right side left, and we can compute the left count, right count. Sorry, right count. Right count if let's define the here in the so let's check all methods. It is number of the left, right? Here is a number of the right. Which condition it is changed? If left and right is equals. in the here, we can create the one method if left and right side is equals. If left and right side is equals, that should return x minus 1. What is that? X is left count minus 1. If it doesn't exist, if left and right side it is not equals, that should be compute to it. And we don't need it. So now what we can do, we have to left multiply right. And let's delete the here. Okay, now it is looking more clearly. Actually, maybe we can make them more clearly. Okay, actually it is look better. And just check on the LeetCode again. Wrong answer. Okay, no problem. Let's understand. Output it's 8, expected is 4. So left and right. Left count it is nums get or default. Left it's if doesn't exist, return the 0. It is true. Come to right side. Right count left equals to right. If left equals to right, we have to return left count minus 1. If it is doesn't exist, we have to return. Okay, we have to return right side. We have to return right side. It is problems, and that must be work. Okay, runtime is 4 milliseconds and faster than 90%. Okay, but let's find the 10%. What they do. Okay, they compete. Actually, it is looking same. Maybe we create more variables, but it is okay. It is okay. I hope you understand this answer. If you don't understand, you can type me in any social media. Thank you for watching me. See you next video.